What's going on, guys? So we picked up the cage for the E46. We're gonna install it today. I believe Kyle's gonna come down and help me. Tristan's obviously there as well. So we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna start by stripping the interior and doing whatnot. We'll go through the videos and everything like that. I'm gonna try not to do too many time lapses. This way it's like, you know, you're more like it's like you're there. So it'd be good with that.
Copyrighted.
Not Spotify. I mean, you can play SoundCloud, and they don't copyright you unless Kyle makes you an intro, and then he uses a Drake song, and it gets.
You asked for the Drake song.
Yeah, but I didn't know you're the YouTuber. I'm not.
You asked for the song. I was trying to make you happy. I didn't know you were gonna use it for your intro.
You really made the intro song.
Yeah, cause no.
You said, yo, you want to do intro?
No, I was like, yo, you want a video? And I made a video. I'll make you an intro. I'm gonna make an intro.
It says my name at the
I'll
end.
just wait.
Yeah, you're right. I'll give you. It was for your Instagram. It was your Instagram intro. That's what it was.
I have a very diverse group right now. I had nothing to deal with that.
Dude, it's literally the same person, just in different sizes.
And a different.
This is us in different stages of a diet.
And then there's
That's
me.
what it is.
Different age, different size.
And then the final form is that guy.
Damn, I can't wait.
When we eat enough Wheaties, we get to him.
I'm the boss.
All right, we're here at the shop.
That's why it's that right there.
Last thing I did was the interior.
Interior. What? Did you show him the reupholstery job?
Not fully together. So yeah, I think the last clip was
Some good suede in there.
we redid this. We put this all back in. I mean, I already have the whole process in, but everything's back in.
We're good on that.
Now we're gonna do the half cage, which I already recorded as well. So just gotta take out the seats.
You did the unboxing of the half cage.
It's not new.
It showed up unboxed.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to unbox it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it.
Show the finishing of the headlights.
I did.
You did?
This is pretty clean.
Did everything, bro. All right, bro. Come on.
You see someone's wrap job? Look at this.
Is this wrap? That's a sick livery we got going. You know, well,
It's got patina. Okay.
It's been through some stuff.
It's got patina.
it's like, you know those liveries where they make it look old on purpose?
Patina.
Well, that's fucked up.
No, you know what I'm talking about. They did it on a Porsche.
Yeah, but those guys are supposed to be like 40 years old, 30 years old.
Yeah.
I mean, it's old, sir.
It's like, you
You know
know.
what's crazy? This car's as old as Tristan.
What?
This is
Wait,
literally as old as me.
2002.
you were born 2002? You don't even exist in my head, bro. That's crazy. Like, it's 1990.
1980. You're a figment of my dad.
Yeah. Did you choose the color?
Yeah. Well, I wanted to do the Luna Seca blue, but they said they wouldn't have a powder that's close enough, so
Why didn't you
white was
just...
a nice neutral.
It's good. It's a good neutral.
I don't know how to do this.
What do you mean?
I know how to do this. I don't know how to go about this. I kind of don't want to take out the seats, so
Do you have to take out the seats?
usually. This is maximum room. You think we got that? I think we got that.
No, we can say I'm a PPF. I just can't say I'm going to do it for you.
You whisper into the camera.
Dude, there's so much room for activity.
I hope so.
I got 13-inch flat screen TV right there.
I hope I don't pull the yawn and wreck my windshield. I don't think this is fitting.
No, dude, you're good. You're good. No, you just have to go around.
Ah, my head's stuck. Okay.
Oh.
It's a banner goes right here, bro.
Oh.
It just adds character, bro. Wow, I literally pulled the John. I didn't call John.
Oh no.
Damn.
Just want to add this here. I didn't touch the roll cage when that happened. I did not touch this.
It was me.
When that happened.
Oh my God, here we go. Good job. A plus. Hey, John.
Roll cage install gone wrong.
Go.
Good. So you're gonna have to pull the seats out.
We're just gonna imagine like that didn't happen. I got the car like that.
Got to it, Don.
It's custom glass.
One of these?
Oh.
Sneak peek.
So we got the custom glass work over here. This was actually a $5,000 job. It's a specific spider thing. Yeah. And we will be right back. So now we gotta loosen the seat.
Because we're doing it the right way the first time.
Do it right or do it twice.
Do it twice or crack your windshield.
Do it rice. Do it rice?
Whoa.
Hold on.
Hold
Is
on.
that racist? It's like a spotter. All right, the seat is coming out. It's a boy. It's a. Maybe do a seat delete. Some weight savings.
I need a vacuum. Whoa, sticker!
What do we get? What are you pulling out there? Yeah, put that on the ground.
Forever being here, it's got to grab.
No, you gotta put it.
I push it in, goes the whole thing. Take the steering wheel, tilt it down. Just love stepping in the car for certain things that don't need to be stepped in.
I need to step
Lower it, lower it. It is over lower. Alright, push it in. Alright, pull it out. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it.
Pop it.
Alright, no, put it down. Put it all the way in and down. Yeah?
Hey, yo.
Alright, cool. That's all. I was just curious to make sure it works.
Why are you still going back? Don't you have to go forward? You have to go forward, bro. We're about to do the same thing again.
No, chill. I was testing you. Right. I'm coming in.
Grab the light. Oh, I mean the other leg. All right.
Whoa. Slow down. Wow, this went in like butter.
You know what it was? The seats.
What do you mean? This is the first time he's
No, it
putting
wasn't
it
the
in.
seats, bro.
It's the first time he's putting
We just
this
have confidence going into this one, that's why.
You know what? You're right. An M3, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You having fun?
I'm having a lot of fun.
All right, it's good. That's what matters.
You should have been here yesterday.
You know what? I wouldn't be having fun if we were trying to install this cage with the seats in and crack my windshield. But since we did it
Yeah,
the
you
first
know.
time,
Yeah.
I'm having fun. You gotta have fun with it. What's the face for? See, there's actually a sticker here. I was trying to take it off. I mean, the other guy was trying to take it off, and that's what happened.
Okay.
I know, we figured it out then.
Okay, so what is it?
So, we're going off no instructions here. So, I think these pieces, this inside piece that's closer on this bottom plate, goes towards the outside of the car. So I think we're gonna put that on first, and then
You're gonna mount it
slide
already?
it and then tilt it.
You're gonna mount it already?
Well, we have to get it like to the position where it needs to be, and then you just drill down.
Oh, I gotcha. So Calvin's cutting the carpet. It looks like bread, and that is the most technological description I can give about that situation.
That fart smells. I mean, crack windshield, wasn't me. We'll put a knee in the.
Oh, dude, that's. Now give it the beans, dude.
My hands here, don't worry.
That's a lot of trust, Tristan. Also, like, you don't have much of a choice.
I think the horn don't work. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna do this, but we're gonna slide this up, and then these bottom pieces need to go to the floor.
Excuse me?
More.
Oh wait, you know what? Let me get in there so I can grab it from here, and I can pull it up.
How you can get out?
Yeah, let me worry about that.
Oh my god! Look at that. Yeah, where your legs?
Oh my god!
Where'd your legs go?
Okay.
Don't step on those black things. Don't step on those black things. Thank you. That's a thing called like a fuel pump.
A fuel pimp? Okay, here, I'm holding.
Hold it right
I'm
there.
holding.
All right. Pull towards you more.
Oh my lord, guys. Guys!
Just go back. Just go back. Where's the camera? Over here. Look at that. All right, Tristan, just hold that. Look, Kyle's in a jungle gym. Yo.
All right, consider it installed. This is good. This is like a
I
nice...
pay Kyle full time to make my cage stay.
You just part of the car now.
They call me Gorilla Grip Kyle.
Gorilla Grip Kyle.
That's actually mint.
Ah, my finger hurts! Ah, dude! Oh man, that thing got crushed. So what do you think?
All right, so update. Calvin has crushed his finger. I was back. Oh, come on, man. Come on, I'm trying to vlog here. I was back there. I don't know if there was really a point of me being back there, but it was a good experience. And now they are muscling.
Looks good. That was good enough. At least we probably get the top one, and then the bottom was.
They are muscling the cage in. Dude, look at this thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
Black and white. Got boss coming up.
Follow him on Instagram.
Hey, you saw it real time.
Yeah, dude, look at that.
We're gonna do one of these.
It's not focusing. Oh, oh. Nice. Wait. You know what? That's in it. Wait, hold on.
Ciao.
Oh my god. Vlog that. Look, this is important. This is a big deal right now. Whatever he's doing. Look, he's plug it in.
Look how close we are.
Dude, it's like National Geographic.
Look how close we are.
Good stuff. The man does not fear sparks. Look at him.
Absolutely not, bro.
What are you doing now?
Cutting this so I can make the cage fit. The other side. The other side. Oh.
You serving scallops tonight?
Would you like? Imagine the people that give a shit, like, if they watch this. Hope this fits. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, because this seat is literally the same exact size as from here to there.
Bro, you're good. Look at that. Look at that fit. You gotta pull it from the other side. Is that it?
Push. No, this is another.
Hold the camera.
Let's go in and
What's all this?
use that muscle, bro. Maybe like the Huskies, you know, in the snow and they go like this.
Kyle, you gotta get in there.
There it is.
Get in there like it's one of your thick white bitches.
Ah! My wrist. Is that supposed to tuck back there?
Yeah. Sort of. Is this clamping? Yeah, it's clamping.
Look, so this is in.
Oh, that's looking pretty good. I think we're good.
Give me the seatbelt. Here, give me the seatbelt. I'll lift it up. There you go. Get that shit out of your way. There you go. Get your arm around this. There we go. Yeah, boy. You gotta do the husky method. Oh, fuck.
Dude, you heard the.
That was a good thud.
Oh my.
That was a healthy thud.
Wow, at least I know she's strong.
Yeah,
You know?
you know, you're holding it
I
together.
felt that go through the car. Our boys finished product. Oof. Came out absolute fire. I'm in love with it. Give a little overview of the install. So Got the cutout right here. Got the interior fully back in. Oh shit, it's a little tight in here. Got the trim out around this rear bolster piece, so it's a little clean of an install. So we didn't have to remove that. Same thing on that side. Came out super clean. Fitment on everything is absolutely insane. Like it's literally like, probably fit like a quarter in there. But it's the cage itself is actually very good quality. I don't even know the brand. I think it's either Auto Power or Kirk something. But came out absolutely killer. Thanks for tuning in for another video. The 846 is coming along, dude. It's almost ready to go off to paint. When I say almost ready, obviously we're not doing any body work or anything. It's more or less just the installs and other stuff like fixing the loose odds and ends. Big shout out to Kyle and Tristan for helping me with the cage today. That was awesome. And also another shout out to Adam for powder coating in the white for me. I'm kind of glad I didn't go with the Laguna Seca blue, to be honest, because the white looks a lot better in my opinion. I think it's going to contrast really well. I'm also looking for new seats. I don't know what to do yet. I kind of like left the fact that I was gonna do like another OEM interior color that's a little more rare, but I was like, you know what, let me just keep the Napa black leather, and then I think I'm gonna do Sparkle R100 seats in the leather, or I'm trying to find a set of like F80 comp seats so keep it more like OEM style, but I haven't decided yet. Either way, we're pretty much ready to go. Next week the car's gonna go off to paint at P&A Auto Collision Repair, so big shout out to Paul. He's gonna take care of everything for me. I cracked my windshield obviously in this video, so I'm gonna have him repair that too, and then do all the window seals and whatnot, so it's gonna be sweet. So, like, comment, subscribe. Please click the notifications if you guys want to stay updated on when I put videos out and kind of the updates on, you know, the car itself. Because I'm not gonna really be posting this too much on my Instagram. I'd rather just you guys watch the video, so it's a little more like interactive. So, on that note, take care, guys.